Hi guys, DK388. On today's video, we have a 2021 model Nissan Juke, and this is the Tekna Trim, finished in a vivid blue colour, which is no longer available on the new build models, which the nearest blue will be the magnetic blue, which is a darker blue, and this is a lighter blue. So I'll just give you a walk around of the exterior and also bottom corner of the dimensions. This is a compact SUV crossover. It's probably similar to a Micra, but a more jacked up, beefed up version. So I'll just have a one round inside and out, show you the features, quirks, and also do a bit of a nighttime demo so you can see all the lights, interior and exterior. It's got vented discs all around. This is the two-tone alloys found on the Connecticut, but a cost-neutral option on the Tekna. We are riding on 215/60/17 tyres. Just a bit more ride comfort and bit of protection with curbs and potholes. So I've gone for the slightly smaller wheel compared to the standard 19 that you find on the Tekna. On the front of the vehicle, we've got the front fog lamps, parking sensors, daytime running lights, and then just underneath the badge, we've got the front camera, which is one of 4 cameras on the vehicle. As you can see, you've got the black gloss mirror, powerful mirrors, and then you can see the camera underneath. Just to give you an idea of the creases and the shoulders, the design of the vehicle. And then you've got rear privacy glass, your spoiler, and your shark fin antenna. You can just see the sort of like a ducktail sort of boot lid. As you can see, it's quite a flat bottom. Then you've got the Juke badging in chrome, which I think would probably be better in black, which is the in colour. And this is the 360 camera, one of 4 cameras on the vehicle. It's got keyless and remote central locking, powerful mirrors as well. With blind spot indicators. It's part of the package. Fuel tank is the petrol, just regular fuel cap, and the tank capacity is 46 litres for petrol. So it's not got the easy fill cap like the Fords. And then the boots, we got a adjustable shelf to increase the capacity, but also has the load lip as well, so you can raise that and lower it. It's quite a rigid shelf. So I think the boot capacity is 422 on the standalone petrol. Then underneath, you also got this 45-degree holder as well, but underneath you got the sort of tyre repair kit, the foam and a towing hook. And there's your pump as well. But also you could probably store some accessories in there. The seats folded down, they're flat. So just give you a view from the inside. You got very minimal lower lip and the sort of low capacity dimensions on the screen where you can carry. So in the driver's door, you can see you got the ambient lighting in the door card. And just to give you a glimpse of the interior as well. It's a very nice interior, and the Juke floor mat too on. And then the controls, you got your trip computers, your illumination for your dials. And then the window, you got the adjustable mirrors, door locks, and then also your all-round power windows. A little bit of storage as well. You got your flat bottom steering wheel, and then you got your traditional display dials with a 7-inch common meter full colour display as well here. You have the traditional dials of the rev counter and speedometer. And on the steering wheel, you've got your multifunction controls on the left, and then you got your cruise control on the right. Multifunction wheel and your stalks for your lights on the left, and then your wipers on the right. And also your rear wipers, an adjustable steering column, rake and telescopic. And seats, you got half leather on the Tekna models with but the new build models, I believe it's a full leather. And then also on the Tekna, you got the Bose sound system, so got 10 speakers, 2 in each front of the headrests. And then you got your central column with the ambient lighting, with the drive mode selector, sport, standard and eco. Like stop start button there. And you got your e-brakes, and then you sort of like little cubby storage underneath the armrest. On the center consoles, you got your 12-volt battery, aux for your audios and your USB. You got your front heated clear windscreen, heated windscreen, and then your heated front seats. This is your infotainment, 8-inch touchscreen. And then you got your sort of narrow but quite deep cubby hole, illuminated as well. And then up above you got your reading lights, your cabin lights. At the rear with these hidden sort of doors, handles, you got just a little bit of storage. No ambient lights in the rear, but you got a powerful window and some speakers. Half leather seats again. In the rear, I got adjustable headrests as well. You got one Type A USB outlet. So that's my sort of driving position. I'm about 5'6", and this has got a bit of knee room, really comfortable for short to medium journeys. And you got your dark headline as well, with a cabin light, and ISOFIX fixings, which are just accessed via these lift-up covers, so you don't lose them, which are quite good. These are some sort of pouches, storage pouches. And then the engine itself is a 1-litre 3-cylinder turbo, Euro 6, 114 horsepower at 5,000, and 200 Nm torque, 3,000. It's quite a nippy engine for its size of car. And this is the sort of ambient lighting. I'll show whilst it's there. The sun setting, so you can see it's quite a pleasant place to be. A welcoming cabin. You got the sort of circle ring around the gear shifter. Just give you a bit more info. This is what it looks like in the dark. Sort of backlit buttons, and your ambient lighting in your front doors. And then exterior eyes just outside. Give you a walk around the lights, your fog lights all lit up. Normal headlights and your daytime running lights. So you got these interesting shape lights, and then there's got your hazard lights, and all round, including your door mirrors. Then your fog light switches there, just a single fog light on the driver's side. And that's your sort of walk around and review of the Nissan Juke. Thanks for watching.